how to buy Kinto token. So this token came under the symbol of K. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this post is from MEXC listing account on X. So as you can see, they said here that this token will be available for trading in 31st on this month at 15 UTC. Now, as you can see, if you want to know much more about this listing, you can click on this link on and you will be able to access to MEXC account, MEXC website, sorry. So as you can see, make sure to read all of that to know more about this token and the listing. So until that date, you can buy this token on your MEXC account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, you will be able to find the referral link down in the description. You can create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. So this is how to buy Kinto or K token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.